Okay.
Is that documented?
Okay.
Is that documented for court? Is that documented for court? Is it documented for court?
You get in your fucking SUV because you are making shit up that is not fucking happening. And I will contact my lawyer.
Okay.
You cannot fucking resist us.
You still have to handcuff.
What?
She still have to handcuff.
What? Yeah. Oh, back. Double handcuff her.
No, don't handcuff her.
Put another handcuff.
No, because she knows her rights. And you guys don't know what to fucking do with an unbounded soul.
On April 7th, 2023, St. Augustine Police responded to reports of an intoxicated woman yelling at her child in public. The encounter that followed raises critical questions about detention authority, use of force escalation, and the presence of a minor throughout the incident.
I'm Officer. I'm with the St. Augustine. Okay, I'm with the St. Augustine Police Department. Okay. I don't have a problem with you. I don't know you.
Right.
I don't know your little boy here.
Yes.
Okay. But
I'm being confronted, undocumented, for no reason. Like you're.
I'm sorry. Can you 10-9?
St. Augustine is hit or miss, whether or not you hit evil or you hit good.
If someone can start rolling this way, just code 1, just because I'm in the middle of traffic holding everything up. So because of where we're at right now, what I'm just asking is if you and I can just have an adult conversation.
I'm always up for adult conversation.
All right. Would you prefer to walk that way?
I would prefer to have documentation of your copies of record.
Okay.
Of the complaints.
Okay, well, I've gotten 2 phone calls so far. Okay.
I would love documentation.
Okay, well, I can't provide that to you right now in the middle of the bridge, okay? I'd be more than happy to get that to you, but what I'm wondering is, for our safety and for the vehicles...
Do you think we're unsafe right now? On this fucking solid brick?
Here, I've got... You're cussing at me.
Am I cussing?
Yes.
How have I cussed at you?
Okay.
When have I cussed at you? Because I feel like
you've been using the F word ever since I got here.
Really?
Is there a problem?
Can you replay that?
Yes, I can, but not right now.
Because I haven't used that word at all.
Okay, sweetie, are you okay?
So you are the problem.
Okay.
Okay. So get back in your.
I'm going to recommend that
I'm going to recommend
that
you get in your fucking SUV because you are making shit up that is not fucking happening. And I will contact my lawyer.
Okay.
You cannot fucking resist us.
Under Florida law, officers may conduct investigative stops when they have reasonable suspicion of criminal activity. Terry v. Ohio established that such stops must be supported by specific articulable facts, not mere hunches or general suspicion. The initial contact appears justified based on the public disturbance reports, allowing officers to investigate the welfare of the child. However, the situation escalates when the subject refuses to move from the bridge and begins using profanity toward officers. The First Amendment protects offensive speech directed at law enforcement, as established in City of Houston v. Hill. Profanity alone does not constitute disorderly conduct or provide grounds for arrest under Florida Statute 877.03. The decision to place the subject in handcuffs transforms this from a consensual encounter into a detention requiring reasonable suspicion. Officers cite safety concerns due to traffic, but detaining someone for refusing to move creates constitutional issues. Graham v. Connor requires that use of force be analyzed under the objective reasonableness standard. This standard considers the severity of the crime, whether the suspect poses an immediate threat, and whether they are actively resisting. The subject's verbal resistance and profanity do not meet the threshold for violent resistance under Florida Statute 843.02.
Okay.
You want to be a cop right now? Go right ahead.
Yeah,
we will wait it out.
I'm thinking she's going to fight. So
it's not a fight.
Okay.
It's a ground.
Well, so here's...
Because she wants to interfere with my opening?
Yeah.
How was I interfering
Okay.
with your opening?
Sweetheart.
Ooh, witchcraft.
Sweetheart,
Ooh.
are you okay? You're not okay.
Please document it.
Okay.
Is that documented?
Okay.
Is that documented for court? Is that documented for court? Is it documented for court? Because that's what we're talking about. What are we doing?
We're going to put you in handcuffs.
For what? Are we just going to talk?
We'll get there.
We're detaining you right now.
Okay.
Okay.
That's fine.
We're going to get out of all these nice people's ways. We're going to talk to your little boy, see why he's so upset.
Everybody on this bridge is nice? You vetted them? You sure they're not fucking...
No, you're absolutely right. Maybe they are.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy.
But ever since we've been talking, you've been cussing at me?
No, I have not.
Yes, you have.
Please review the tape.
Oh, I
because
don't
that's
need to
not
review
true.
it. There's one of us that's not drunk here, and it's me.
I am not drunk.
Okay.
I am buzzed and I am happy and I've been enjoying my day. And I have not cussed at you once.
You want to get down here? We can get off.
Let's get off the bridge. If you, yes.
Replay the tape right now before we leave. Stay still.
I'll let him get in front with me.
Okay.
Stay
Perfect.
still.
Thank you.
Before we
over for me.
replay the
Could you
tape.
step over for me?
Because I have
Go
not
ahead and
cussed
step
you.
over.
Come on.
Until you admit that I have not cussed at you once, I'm not.
Please.
Can you
No,
please just...
no, I'm not. You'll have to carry me, bro. I'm not going nowhere.
Just don't kick me, okay?
I would love to. I'm not going to.
I'm a nice guy. You don't want to.
Are you? Well, she's
It's
not
not-
a nice girl. She's a fucking corrupt cop. Do you understand?
Here, stand her up. Here,
Can
stand up.
follow you and molest fucking people
Okay.
all the fucking time.
Go, just
You
step
piece of
in.
You, no, I'm not stepping into the fucking truck for no fucking reason.
Get it
Why
on the
am
other
I
side.
being
Get
arrested?
the other side.
Tell me.
Just
No, no, I'm
Come on,
not.
please.
No,
Please.
you have to tell me why I am being arrested.
Get up.
First,
Just
you
a
have
window.
to read me my Miranda rights. You
in the
can't
car.
just fucking stick somebody in a fucking locked box for no fucking reason. I was on the fucking sidewalk, you piece of shit. You will pay for this. You will go to fucking hell. You will go to hell.
Okay.
Hold on. I'm not going to deal with this.
Hey, hold on 1 second. Oh, open your front door. Open your front door.
Get it.
Open your car. Open the car. Hold on the ground.
Bitch. Brad, you are funny. You motherfuckers. You fucking fuckers. Oh, mace me now. You gonna mace a fucking 5 foot, 3 foot girl? For what? You're walking across the bridge? You!
We got her.
You've got handcuffs.
Yeah, good luck. Getting them in together.
Get her legs. Get her hand.
She's fighting, sorry.
Yeah, why are you You know this is going to court, right? This is not gonna fucking look good on you. Oh God, you guys are pieces of fucking
Grab
corrupt
the shackles.
fucking shit. Your shit stinks so fucking bad. It's fucking heartbreaking. It's so fucking heartbreaking. That's how corrupt
We're still
you
trying to get
are.
under control.
I'm gonna get her in the car.
You took my baby from me. Yes, I will fucking resent.
Let's get her in the car, and we'll get these on. It'll be much easier. Okay?
Yes.
The corrupt fucking police that you are. You are fucking out for every motherfucker. I hope you break a fucking bone, sir.
Lift her up.
I'm stuck.
Lift her up.
She's got me wrapped around her.
Get off.
Like, really?
Get off me.
Are you nervous?
We need to get her shackled.
What is her deal?
Yeah, what is all this deal? What is this deal? Because I told you the truth.
What's going on?
Because I'm a fucking whistleblower.
When physical force begins, officers face active resistance, including wrapping around an officer's leg and pulling away. Florida Statute 776.05 permits reasonable force to effect a lawful arrest. The critical question is whether the underlying arrest itself was lawful at the point force became necessary. The use of hobble restraints and the method of placing the subject into the vehicle raises tactical concerns. While hobbles are an approved, less lethal tool, officers must ensure they do not restrict breathing, particularly in the prone position. The subject slips out of handcuffs, requiring officers to apply double cuffing, which is within standard operating procedures. Most critically, this entire encounter occurs in front of the subject's young child, who remains on scene throughout. Florida law requires consideration of child welfare in all law enforcement actions, per Chapter 39 of the Florida statutes. The decision to arrest rather than de-escalate exposes the child to trauma that could have been avoided with alternative approaches. The subject was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer under Florida Statute 784.07. This requires proof of intentional touching or striking against an officer's will during the performance of lawful duties. She also faces resisting an officer with violence under Florida Statute 843.01. This charge requires violent resistance to a lawful arrest, creating a circular issue if the initial detention was unlawful.
Well, she's got battery on Leo. I know that much. And disorderly conduct. She's wrapped around my leg cap.
Let go. Get her off.
Let go of his leg. Let go of his leg.
No, tell him to let go of me.
Get off my leg. Right there. Hold on.
I will trade my life for another. I can't wait till you go to
She needs to be hobbled
I
and
will
placed in that car. We can't lift her up one more time.
You fucking for the wrong of her baby. You fucking for what? For what?
Where's
He's got the kid.
Alright. We pick her up on all four sides. We'll just throw her in there.
Yes.
Someone grab the legs, two
Yes.
just grab the front, and we'll just throw her in there.
Can we get this wrapped around her? No, I'm doing it differently.
Oh, I see. Want to wrap it like that? Honey, hook it through here. Hold on.
Even if you have to tie it up more.
Yeah, let's tie her up more. For what?
Ready,
I'm
sister?
sorry, I
Grab the
didn't hear.
thing. Cap, get in
Why?
there.
I'm
Come on,
being
come on,
charged.
come on, Cap,
I'm
get
treated
in.
like a fucking animal in the
What
first
is
place.
this?
There hasn't even been an exchange of
We
conversation.
check her while she's down. We search her.
God, I cannot wait till fucking Morgan and Morgan fucking talk
Good.
about this.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I have no idea.
Coming in.
You are losing your fucking jobs, bro.
Got her, Cap?
You.
Okay, got her?
Go fuck yourselves. Get the fuck off of me, pervert.
Stop.
You stop. You can't fucking force me. Fucking do whatever the fuck I want. I'm in the fucking cab. Oh, you feeling real good? Aren't you? I'm already fucking detained, you fucking pervert.
You want to kick me in the face one more time?
Oh, you
Huh?
want to fucking detain me for no fucking reason, fucking asshole. Oh.
Stop hitting me.
Oh, yeah,
Hey.
stop fucking detaining me for
Can you
some
grab my glasses?
fucking reason. Fucking pervert.
You still have the handcuff.
What?
She still got the handcuff.
Yeah.
Oh, back out, back.
Ooh,
Get the handcuff on her hand. Get the handcuff on her hand.
Yeah, what is this for? Oh,
We're gonna
oh
have
my
to dump her
god.
out. We're gonna have to dump her back out.
Going over.
Hey, grab my
over.
glasses and shit right there.
We're gonna have to dump her back out.
She needs to
Grab
be
her
hobbled.
legs. She can only
Oh,
kick us
grab
from
her
here.
legs.
Grab the
Oh,
shackles.
grab her legs. Grab her shackles for what?
You got that on?
Because you don't fucking know what to do with an unbounded soul. One that can't be fucking bought. Like you. You all are fucking bought. You fucking bots. You fucking bots.
She's not back.
You are not
She's
fucking
shackled with her hands.
American. You're fucking bots.
Yeah.
You fucking
No,
bots.
they're not.
That is fucking so heartbreaking. Now you
I got
really
it.
sold your souls of America for
I got
fucking what? A
But if
draw
she's shackled,
bridge
I'm not gonna feed her
interaction?
hands anymore.
For
No.
what?
Hold on.
You know this is all fucking
And the shit that you were saying
The hat over there?
ooh, is not
It's
true.
not in the car.
I don't see it.
I cannot fucking wait till you fucking ride.
Got it?
My son has a witness.
Yeah, we're good, we're good.
We're not fucking good, you fucking piece of shit.
Stop acting up! Stop! Stop acting up!
I'm gonna
Stop!
all the fucking way.
Stop!
For
Let
no
go.
fucking reason.
Stop! Let go.
You
I'll
fucking
bite you.
stop, you fucking piece of shit.
I got this arm. You got that arm?
Yeah.
Oh, you got that arm? Oh, you're so strong.
How's she fucking sliding out of these things?
Oh, you're so strong.
Tight as you can. We'll double
Oh, you're
handcuff
so strong. Why am I being arrested again? And treated like a fucking animal?
her. Double handcuff her.
No, don't handcuff her.
Put another handcuff.
No, because she knows her rights. And you guys don't know what to fucking do with an unbounded soul. You're like, we don't know what to do with her. Because she's gonna fucking sue the fuck out of us and fuck our families over. And that's her livelihood. Well, that's fucking your fucking karma. You fucking piece of shit.
The St. Augustine Police Department receives a C- for this encounter. While the initial response to welfare concerns was appropriate, the escalation to arrest rather than de-escalation violated best practices. The department failed to prioritize the child's welfare, allowing the encounter to deteriorate in the minor's presence. However, officers did not use strikes or impact weapons, showing some restraint during the physical confrontation. The lack of crisis intervention or mental health resources demonstrates a need for improved training in dealing with intoxicated individuals. The subject receives a D for her conduct during this encounter. While she was within her First Amendment rights to use profanity, her decision to physically resist a detention was legally unwise. Under Florida law, even if an arrest is unlawful, physical resistance escalates the situation and creates additional criminal charges. Her actions in front of her child were particularly problematic, creating a traumatic situation that could have lasting effects. The admission of being buzzed while caring for a minor raises additional child welfare concerns beyond the scope of this arrest. A more prudent approach would have been to comply with the detention, remain silent, and address constitutional violations through legal channels. 3 critical lessons emerge from this encounter. First, officers must recognize that profanity and verbal disrespect, while unpleasant, are constitutionally protected speech. Arrest should never be used as punishment for hurt feelings, as this violates clearly established First Amendment principles. Second, the presence of children during law enforcement encounters requires heightened de-escalation efforts. Trauma to minors should be avoided whenever possible, and alternative resolutions should be prioritized when children are present. Third, citizens must understand that physical resistance, regardless of whether an arrest is lawful, creates serious legal consequences. The proper remedy for constitutional violations is through the courts, not through physical confrontation on the street. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more content on police interactions and legal analysis.